Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my jerk shrimp. Okay, so add your seasoning. You can add whatever seasonings you like. Okay, so now it's time to add the jerk sauce. Now you just want to mix it up and make sure you get all that flavor all over. Okay, so now that that's done, it's time to put it in the pan. In the pan, I have added some water and some butter. Okay, so I'm just separating them, making sure they're not on top of each other. This is how it looks when I first put it in. Now this is how it looks when it's done. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and also make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when I post more videos. I appreciate all the support so far. Make sure you guys keep on supporting.